My dear students, how are you? Hope you are all well. You all welcome to Bulbul Tutor English channel. Today I am discussing about perfect and perfect continuous tenses. You have learned that the perfect tenses show that an action has already been completed. The word perfect implies completed. Let us revise what you have learned about the perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Both the simple past tense and the present perfect tenses expresses an action completed in the past. The simple past tense expresses an action completed in the past but not linked to the present. The present perfect tense, however, denotes an action that is completed but connected to the present. The present perfect tense is used Number 1. To indicate an action that has been completed just now or a little while ago. For example, number 1. She has just left for office. Number 2. I have just called for a cab. Number 2. To express an action whose time is not given and is not defined. For example, number 1, he has lived in Bangkok. Number 3, to describe a past event which has its effect on the present. For example, number 1, I have lost the keys to the house, so I cannot open the door. Number 4, to talk about a continuing state, not action. For example, number 1, Girish have been ill since Monday. Number 2, Minnie has broken her leg. Number 3, Minnie has broken. Number 4, we have known the Guptas for 20 years. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to indicate an action that took place before another action. For example, number 1, when I reached the bus stop, the bus had left. Notes. We use since to talk about a point of time in the past, like Tuesday, 9 o'clock. We use for to talk about a period or duration of time, like 2 weeks, 5 years. The past perfect tense is used to indicate a past hope or desire that has remained unfulfilled. We use verbs like hope, expect, think. In such cases, for example, number 1, I had expected to win the tournament. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to refer to the completion of an action by a certain time in the future. The tense is normally used with expression like by that time, by then, by next week. For example, number 1, I will have completed the assignment by next week. Number 2, the coach will have arrived by 11 a.m. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the hit button and share among your friends and subscribe for further notification. Thank you for watching this video.